Hey everyone, in this video I'm just going to be showing you how to create a small animation just like this. It's very easy, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm just creating a new composition. You can name it what you want. I'm just going to leave it as Comp4, 1920 by 1080, 30 frames a second. Okay, so with the new composition, you just want to go to your type tool, just on the top there, and type whatever you want. I'm just going to type in anything, and I'm just going to center it. If you don't have your align panel, go up to Window and Align, and it will come up. So I'm just going to align to the center. Once you've done that, you want to come down over here, and you can see a drop-down arrow, and then you want to click on Animate and Position. Okay, once you've done that, you can see down here a new animator has popped up and your range selector. We want to go into the range selector to start off with. So we're starting at 0 because we want to end at, let's say, 3 seconds. So 0, that's great. And then the position, let's just move it all the way off. Let's just hold that and drag it all the way out. There we go. So it's off our canvas now. So I just want to move the timeline to, let's say, 2.5 seconds. That sounds about right. And I'm just going to bring this down so it can loop instead of going all the way to the end. Okay, so we've got our start was 0% on that keyframe there. And now at 2.5 seconds, we want to make it 100%. Highlight both of them. Oops. Just move that up a little bit. Let's highlight both of them, F9 for easy ease. We'll go into that in a second. Let's just go back to the beginning. So what we've done now, let's just hit the spacebar to play it. And you can see it coming in like that. A few additional things we can do. So with the keyframe selected, go up to your graph. And you can decide how fast or slow you want it. I'm going to, oops, sorry, it keeps popping around there. Okay, well, let's just click it for the time being. So we wanted to start off fast and end slowly. So I'm just doing it like that. And I'll show you how that looks. Spacebar, fast, then slow. That's actually a little bit too fast and a little bit too slow. So I'm just going to go back in there. Click that, just a little bit slower. And the ending, yeah, about like that seems good. Let's have a look. Spacebar. That's awesome. Okay, another thing we can do, we can just add a motion blur onto it. Just click in the motion blur button just over there for all layers. And that looks a bit better. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to select those again. I'm not very happy with the way the text's going. Pull it along, there we go. So it looks a bit better like that. Let's see. Yeah, that looks good to me. Okay, well that's all for this tutorial. Nice and basic one, nice and fast. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, enable the notifications for more of my videos. Thank you very much.